Hello children, welcome to our channel. My name is Rashi and in this video we'll be starting with our new exercise 5.7. So as you can see, we have already completed our exercise 5.6. So we were on chapter number 5 of class 6 and the name of the chapter is Understanding Elementary Shapes. So we have already discussed from exercise 5.1 till exercise 5.6. So now we are starting with exercise 5.7. Exercise 5.7 is on page number 106 of our NCERT book. And question number 1 says, say true or false. So now we have to state whether the statement is true or false. Let's start with part number A. It says each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. Each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. B part says the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. C part says a square can be thought the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. ये तो था हमारा B part. C part तो ये नहीं है. C part is the diagonals of a square are perpendicular to one another. Alright, let's read the first statement again. It says each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. So, if we talk about a rectangle, अगर हम एक rectangle की बात करते हैं यहाँ पे, so रेक्टेंगल के जो सारे एंगल्स होते हैं वो 90 डिग्री के होते हैं. सपोज दिस इज अ रेक्टेंगल. So we know that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. It means this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. ठीक है. Also जो एंगल होते हैं रेक्टेंगल के वो होते हैं 90 डिग्री के. All the angles are of 90 degree. तो यही ये बोल रहा है each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. So yes, this is true. सारे जो angles होते हैं rectangle के they are of 90 degree measure. Coming to B part. B part में the statement says the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. जो opposite sides होती है rectangle की वो equal होती हैं. अभी हमने बात करी that this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. So yes, this is also true. Opposite sides होती है rectangle की they are always equal. All the four sides are not equal. Opposite sides are equal. Suppose this is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter. तो अगर ये 3 है ये भी 3 होगा, ये 1 है ये भी 1 है. like this. All right, coming to C part, the diagonals of a square are perpendicular to one another. तो अब बात करते हैं हम एक स्क्वायर की. The diagonals of a square are perpendicular to one another. So if we draw a square, diagonals क्या होते हैं, जो एक वर्टेक्स को दूसरी ऑपोजिट वर्टेक्स से टच कर देते हैं, राइट. सो एक स्क्वायर है, उसके डायगोनल्स हैं, क्या वो परपेंडिकुलर होते हैं एक दूसरे के. परपेंडिकुलर मतलब 90 डिग्री का एंगल फॉर्म करते हैं, एंड स्क्वायर में डायगोनल्स परपेंडिकुलर होते हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. यस, डायगोनल्स ऑफ अ स्क्वायर आर परपेंडिकुलर टू वन अनदर, राइट. इट मीन्स व्हेन वी ड्रॉ डायगोनल, वो कहीं पे आके मीट करेगा एंड इट विल ड्रॉ अ 90 डिग्री angle. Okay, so this was A, B and C part. I hope these three parts are clear to you. Please pause the video and note this down, then we will be starting with the next three parts. Okay, so now let's start with E, F and G part. Sorry, A, B, C किया हमने, D, E and F part. 4th, 5th and 6th part. So 4th part says all the sides of the rhombus are of equal length. E part says all the sides of the parallelogram are of equal length. And F part and the last part says the opposite sides of a trapezium are parallel. Alright, so coming to D part says all the sides of a rhombus are of equal length. We all know that rhombus is similar to a square. जैसे square की all four sides are equal, ऐसे ही rhombus की भी सारी sides equal होती हैं. So it means this is true. Sides of a rhombus are always equal. ठीक है? Coming to E part, all the sides of a parallelogram are of equal length. Parallelogram हम ऐसे draw करते हैं, like this. Okay, and all the sides of a parallelogram are of equal length. And parallelogram की सारी sides equal नहीं होती, opposite sides equal होती हैं. ठीक है? So it means this is false. Because it is saying that all the sides of a parallelogram are of equal length, so it means this is false. सारी sides parallelogram की equal नहीं होती. Okay, coming to F part, the opposite sides of the trapezium are parallel. Now opposite sides of a trapezium, how we draw a trapezium? So this is a trapezium. ठीक है, अब opposite sides, यहाँ पे हमें ये नहीं बोला कौन सी opposite side, ये वाली opposite side या ये वाली opposite side. So if we talk about this opposite side, ये इसके parallel तो है. ठीक है, parallel means lines that never meet, जो ऐसे ही same equal distance पे continue रहती है, कभी भी meet नहीं करती. तो ये दोनों बिल्कुल straight हैं, ये कभी भी meet नहीं करेंगी, always infinity तक ऐसे ही straight जाएंगी, right? But if we talk about the other opposite side pair, जो हमारे पास दूसरा pair है, क्या वो कभी meet नहीं करेगी? Possible ही नहीं है. Why? Because see, ये ऐसे increase होगी, ये ऐसे इंक्रीज होगी, ये एक पॉइंट पे आके मीट कर जाएगी. It means children, this is again false. It means the opposite sides of a trapezium are not parallel. एक parallel side है, दूसरी parallel side नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे अगर मेंशन किया होता वन साइड तो हम बोल सकते थे दिस इज ट्रू, बट यहाँ पे मेंशन नहीं किया हुआ. इट मीन्स इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट बोथ द साइड्स, एंड बोथ साइड्स जो हैं वो पैरेलल नहीं है. ओके, so I hope children F part be clear है. So D, E and F part are also done. So question number 1 is now complete. Please pause the video and note this down. Alright, so I hope this question is clear to you. So this was question number 1, children. Question number 2 will be starting in our next video. So stay tuned for my next video. I'll be coming up very soon with the next video. And in that video, I'll be covering question number 2 and question number 3 as well. So stay tuned for my next video, and till then practice each and every question again. Practice from your extra books as well. And if you still have any doubt, any query, don't forget to mention it in our comment section below. And stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.